Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. I am just running to the store and I thought I would do a little drive along with me. And oh, just a minute, my husband was in the car and I'm sitting in the back seat. Yeah, he's got long legs, he's 6'3", and I'm a foot shorter, so okay, let's go for a little ride. And I'm gonna tell you what's been going on in my life lately. I have been really enjoying the beautiful weather. I've moved to Oregon, as most of you know, if you follow me. And I have some friends up here, but they live in different towns. And so I don't really, well, we have some close friends that live in this town. But anyway, I have really been having fun. Lady across the street, her name is Linda. She's adorable. She came over. Well, first of all, I went over and stole her housekeeper, and I stole her house cleaner, and she's adorable too. She's a sweetheart, and she's absolutely, I couldn't live without her. And then I also and she's reasonable. I can afford her. And we've been using her gardener. We went out and met him, and so anyway, she's been really useful and helpful in that respect. And she came over to meet me because the house cleaner mentioned that had I met her yet, and I said, no, I haven't. She said, oh, I've known Linda for, I don't know, 20, 30 years. She came to my wedding. My kids go to her house when they're out of school while I'm cleaning. And I said, that's great. So anyway, got to be a nice person. Sounds like it. And so Dallas is the sweet girl that cleans our house. And Linda's, I think she's my age. I can't really tell. Anyway, she came over to meet me, and she said that Dallas had told her a funny story, how I had mentioned that it looked like a lot of fun at her house because the ladies all got together once every week or two for, Bible study. And she thought that was hysterical. She said, yeah, not really. We actually get together and play mahjong and, drink wine and bet, play for money. And I'm going, really? Well, that sounds like fun. And she said, oh, well, you'll have to come over. So I decided to go over. I was so thrilled that she invited me. I used to play mahjong on my app on my phone. It's one of those games. And so I went over to Linda's house. And it was at noon, from noon to 3. And I went over there, and I had my money in my purse, and I had a bottle of wine, red wine. And I asked my husband, I said, this is a good bottle of red wine, right? Because I don't take a crummy bottle of wine over. And he goes, yeah, I got that at Costco. I said, it wasn't cheap. He goes, it was $10. And I go, well, that's good enough for mahjong. So I go over, and she answers the door, and I give her the bottle of wine. She looks at me kind of funny, and I go, she goes, would you like a glass? And I go, oh, no, thank you. I don't actually drink very much, and especially not at noon. And she goes, yeah, me either. And I said, well, I'm thinking, okay, maybe she'll open it later or something. And then we're sitting down, and one of the ladies comes in, and she sits down, and they say, Marjorie, this is Wendy. I go, hi, Wendy. And she goes, oh, good. I'm glad to see I'm not the only one that forgot the Bible. And I said, okay, I can see that this story has gotten around, that I thought it was Bible study. And then, they start to play, and they're trying to teach me how to play mahjong on, not on an app, the real thing, mahjong. And I said, okay, I hope I brought enough money. And they go, we don't play for money. I thought that was the greatest. I'm going, okay, good. But could you all please tell my husband that I lose all the time so that, he'll keep giving me money, which, I don't ask my husband for money. At 70, I better not have to ask my husband for money. Anyway, so yeah, it was just fun, so much fun, and I wanted to play this anyhow or something. I mean, I've never belonged to like bridge or any kind of, card game group or anything. And I'm so excited because it's good for our minds as we get older. I mean, let's face it, I am seeing what dementia does for my poor mother-in-law. She's 97, and bless her heart, she is amazing. I'm going to do a video about her actually, because she's just incredible, but she does suffer with her dementia right now. She's in a home, and Dan put her in a home recently, and it's hard. It's hard on everybody. So anyway, that's just my little car chat. I just wanted to bring you up to date. I'm at my destination, and maybe I'll fill you in on something else later, but that's the story for today. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe if you want to hear more stories about life in the 70s or life at 70. Talk to you soon. Bye now. So I'm just wondering how many of you ladies are lucky enough to actually have already participated in some kind of fun group like bridge or pinochle. I don't know if girls play, maybe they do, or bingo or whatever. It just sounds like a lot of fun. And, I have not had a lot of girlfriends. I have some good friends. I have like 4 really good friends that I've had for years. But I have to say that I don't have a lot of girlfriends that I hang out with. And as I get older, I am so looking forward to being able to play Mahjong with this group of ladies. I like them all. They're very sweet. And the fun thing is we go from house to house. So I'm looking forward. Oh, the house we went to this last week, Linda's house is beautiful, and Wendy's house is beautiful. And so I'm looking forward to going to Mariella. Oh, well, anyway, I can't remember her name. It's a really pretty name. Mary Bell? I don't know. Mary Lou? And then the last house, I guess. Oh, no, then there's Sharon, and then there's Joni. So right off the bat, it's a memory challenge to remember everybody's name. So I made little notes. I always compare everybody to a famous movie star. Like my very good friend is Marilyn, and I call, in my mind, before I could remember her name, she was always Marilyn Monroe. She called me Marjorie Morningstar. And then, so anyway, I am just wondering how many of you are lucky enough to play some kind of game. Tell me about it. Tell me if you belong to a group, because I'm just really excited. I love my YouTube friends. I love to talk to them. And I will take you along if they will allow me to film their homes, and I'll show you what a Mahjong game looks like. I'm gonna have to buy one and a card table apparently. So, but I got a few weeks because we still have a few more houses to go to. Anyway, yeah, let me know. And let me know if you have any questions. And you can always, oh, let me show you my book that I got. Hold on. Let me grab this and show you. It is A Beginner's Guide to American Mahjong. It's kind of like a dominoes game. But I've never played dominoes. So anyway, boy, the makeup wore off when I went out. Okay, I'm rambling, but I will keep you informed. And I'll let you know some of the other fun things that I come up with. So talk to you soon. Bye now.